3865, regular Gold Rush Mini, last one in the case, a little random team. All right, Bree 1, 1069 Steve H. 10, JD 2, Amanda with 10 as well. Corey 4, Mike, Eric, Jeff Grit, and Mike Salazar with 1. Good luck to everyone. Let's randomize it up 5 times. All right, once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times. And Amanda, you're on top. Amanda, you're on the bottom 5 times. All right. All right, Steve H, Ravens, Bills, Bears, Chargers, Rams, Vikings, Patriots, Jets, Steelers, Niners. Amanda, Dolphins, Boys, Lions, Jacks, Titans, Saints, Eagles, Skins. Corey, Raiders, Panthers, Texans, Seahawks. Amanda, Bengals, Cardinals. Bree, Falcons. Eric, Giants. JD, Browns, Colts. Jeff Britt, Packers, Chiefs. Mike, Broncos, and Buccaneers. Okay. Any trades there, guys? Let me know. Any trades, let me know. All right, Brian, let's get you hooked up, man. You got the Bengals on the specialty. All right, man. It's lit. It's litty. It is litty. Yeah, all right, I think we're good. Let's get it. Let's get it. Last one in the regular mini. Sealed up. Oops, sealed up, good. Last one in this case. We got multiple cases left. Alright, for the Cowboys, Mel Renfro going to Dallas. That's going to Amanda. Hall of Fame 96, Mel Renfro, autographed mini helmet. Beckett Cert, WD 66341. Mel Renfro. Mel Renfro. Okay. Going to Dallas. Cowboys going to Amanda. Very good. Steve and Amanda both getting free spots, guys, since you each bought 10 or more into the bonus break. 8x10 multi-sport photo. 5 times. Here we go. Very nice. Once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, and Mike Salazar. All right, so we got 3 spots there. We got Mike, Steve, Amanda. Good, and that was 3865. 3865 Gold Rush Mini. Alright, very nice. Mel Renfro, very nice. Bowman Chrome, 5 spots left there. Luminance, 13. Obsidian has 12, maybe 11. I gotta double check that. Premium Packs got 6 divisions. Full size lid only has 17. Premium Pack Basketball, 22. Autograph Baseball, 17. Multi-Sport, 21. Prism Mega only has a few teams left. Full size Basketball jersey, baseball Volt 13, regular mini pick a team, specialty mini pick a team, 16x20 photo, full size football, Gold Rush baseball bat, hockey mini, Obsidian pick a team, elite playbook, Nike jersey, hoops, all kind of baseball jersey, all kind of stuff. But 5 left there, $10 a spot. All right, Jason, you got it, man. $10 on Bowman Chrome every night, guys. 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Never miss a live break. Oh, I don't have draft anymore, but Chrome. 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And please subscribe.